It's your boy KW.
Back up another video.
I'm trying to get these thumbnails right, man. I'm trying to get these thumbnails. Got it. Gotta get they be right. BBQ. Oh, they be good. They be good, boy. You may wanna snap your mama down there, Willie. And he slapped shit out that. He slapped little boy. Slapped the piles out of that bitch, man. I got a question. Who y'all think be lying more about their body count? Girls or boys? I say girls. Cause girls, like, they gotta take care of their body. You know what I mean? And boy, we don't care. We just slinging that bitch. We just slinging that bitch little right, upside down. So they will sling that bitch in the sky be good. You know what I mean? Tell me. Like, see, we don't care. But girls, like, reason why they lie, cause like, you know what I'm saying, they don't want to be called a hoe. You know what I'm saying? They don't want, if you tell them, oh, I got 3 bodies, you know what I'm saying, they might be alright. You know what I'm saying? Or 2 bodies, you know what I'm saying? But, shit, you know somebody, you tell them, you know what I'm saying, boy, you got 11, 7 bodies, you know, you like, hell, no. Hell, you know what I'm saying? He gonna be like, I don't know if I wanna go with her. You know what I'm saying? Cause he gonna be like, you know what I'm saying, that 7 body gonna be back in your head the whole time. And he gonna be thinking the number of that 7 body shit. He ain't gonna be thinking about none of the other stuff. Hold on. What's up? But I had to get my own weapon. But man, listen. You know, a girl gonna be like, they gonna lie. Like, only time a boy lie, I say only time a boy probably lie, right here body count, it's like, shit, he'll probably lie if he really like you. Like, you know his shit like 12 or some shit, and he'll try to like tell you like, yo, 3, 4, you know what I'm saying? Like, to make you be like, I'll rock with you. But if you gone, I don't really think you gonna really care about body count. Some of them don't. Some of them do. Me? Hey, I care about body count. Hey, something. Hey, something. And then look, you can't lie. Cause get what? Nah, I'll take that back. But I do care. But once again, if you really like her, you really gonna be like, I'm gonna put it to the side. I ain't gonna. No. But hey, to the queen, like queen, and a oop, like oop. Yeah, baby. Like, don't break cold, man. Well, I say yeah though. Like, shit. Then 9 out of 10, bro. Girl got a body, more than like 4 bodies or something. Of course you gonna lie. But No, yeah. She let me clap on the first week. She was on go. Already, you know what I'm saying? So I know she like, he ain't got no phone. Got more than that. But she made me wait a month. You might be alright. Might have about 3. Yeah. Ain't no boy really Wayne. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no boy really Wayne. Drop it in comment below. If y'all think girls lie more than boys when it comes to body count, you feel me? I believe it's the girls that be lying and be capping. But oh yeah, one more thing. A girl that got over 7 bodies or 6 bodies, even 5, you know what I mean? She ain't finna tell you. She gonna lie. She gonna say, I got 3, 4, some shit like that. Or, you know what I'm saying? You'll be surprised. You thinking your girl don't got 3 bodies? Oh, but tell you, hey, but she got long, but she just loud like a mug, boy. And come down below. Do y'all care about body count? Do y'all care? So me, yeah. Cause she got more than 5 bodies, 4 bodies. Hell no. Cause she gon' go. And I know she gon', you know what I'm saying, cheat on me, cause all them bodies, like, she, one on got that smackdown, and yeah, she gon' wanna, you know, go back, you know, she was cheating, texting, delete messages, all type, you know what I'm saying? Nah, we ain't going back, shop. Nah, they ain't want it. I don't think I want it because, you know, I just beat that bitch. You know what I mean? Oh, yeah. By the way, if a girl got more than 5 bodies, she not finna date nobody around her little area, like city or state. Nah, I ain't gonna say statewide. Her surrounding counties. Like, you feel me? Like, she ain't gonna date nobody that's like 20 minutes away, 30 minutes. Cause, shit, we so close to them counties. Shit, you gonna know, like, you might know the whole inside, but you gonna know, like, oh, y'all know her, who, you know what I'm saying? Like, cause we so close, so we ain't just, that's why I say, if a girl got more bodies, if a girl got a lot of bodies, she gonna date somebody like out of state, or she gonna be like, you feel me? Get what I'm saying? Like, cause you know that she got more than 4 bodies, but she gonna tell the out of state boy she got 3 or 2. You know what I mean? He look kind of like, I don't know about, you know what I'm saying? But he believed me because he like her, you know, he like her, so he believed me. So, shit, crazy, man. I ain't gonna lie. My girl, Abby, I'm telling her, like, shit, I got 1, 2, 3. I got like 5. It was, yeah, I got like 5. It was like 2, so shit like that. Now like 17. I'm 21 now, so shit, my big went up, man. And that big old key going up, you feel me? Some that down. No, man. I'm gonna leave it at 5 though. Until I get my wife. I bet gonna be 6. Then, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask for a threesome so I can make it 7, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna leave right now. I can't cheat on her, so. It is what it is, and I'm done with the wings, you feel me? So, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in that video. You know what I'm saying? Check me out. Tell me. Look at my hair, man. 1 through 10. Tell me how I look. I'm scaring that dog. Like, y'all see that? Nah, I don't see it. Damn, bro. I ain't mean to drop you, cool. Mickey. Like, comment, subscribe, baby.